Okay, keep an eye on the blue car, second to the left there, and the first car on the right in the back. So second in the back on the left, and first on the right. Those two will be dancing together by themselves. If my theory is right, orange car on the right and the red car with a stripe on the left will be dancing by themselves on the next one. I'm going to attempt for the orange.
Buongiorno, my friends. I'm partner and I'm waiting for you. Let me choose one and step carefully inside so we can get ready to roll again.
Alright, so orange with the red one over there with the stripes on the hood.
Sing it for you, my cousin Lou. Hey, Capari! Je veux sonare. Et ce son là, frisque. Et comme ce son, frisque. Frisque, tippity, tippity, tom. Hey, Capari! Je veux sonare. Et ce son là, le saxophone. Et comme ce son là, le saxophone.
Alright, gonna dance solo with the red.
Take all of your lovely things and watch each step as you exit. Next time you are in Radiator Springs, you come and see Luigi, eh? Ciao.
Alright, there he goes right. This car here, the red with a stripe and a blue with a side stripe will be the next one.
Everybody, per favore, quickly choose a dance partner and step carefully inside so we can get this show on the road. Okay? Okay.